All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about one of the most fundamental, most powerful tools in any C++ programmer's toolkit: functions. Seriously, getting good at these is a total game changer. So here's our game plan. We're going to start with the big picture, what a function even is. Then we'll see them in action with simple tasks, see how they handle repetitive stuff using loops, crunch some numbers, and even make decisions. And to wrap it all up, we'll see how all these little tools come together to build a full program.
You ever look at a huge piece of software, like a video game or a big app on your phone, and just wonder, how? How do they possibly build something that massive without just getting completely lost in a sea of code? Well, the secret is actually something we all do every day. You don't just build a house. You lay the foundation, you frame the walls, you put on a roof. You break it down into smaller, doable jobs. And in programming, that's exactly what functions let us do.
Okay, so let's get right into it. What exactly is this power tool, and why is it so incredibly important? At its core, a function is just a block of code that you give a name to. It's designed to do one specific thing. Think of it like a specialized tool in your garage. You don't invent a wrench every time you need to tighten a bolt, right? No, you just grab the wrench. Functions are your reusable code wrenches. And using one is a pretty simple three-step dance. First, you declare it. That's like creating the blueprint, telling the program what your tool is called and what it does. Second, you call it. That's you actually picking it up and putting it to work. And third, it returns a value. The job's done, and it hands you back the result.